wood decking is going to be your cheapest out of the gate option. The price difference between wood and composite really isn't that significant. What I always like to tell people is, you know, the money you're going to save with a wood deck, you're going to end up spending within the first 5 to 7 years of having that wood deck, in terms of your time to go out and stain it every year, multiple times a year, you know, buying all the prep materials you need, sander, sandpaper, the stain or the paint or the water treatment. So it's a balance. You know, we know everybody's situation's different. If you can come up with that difference to go composite, it's not going to take you very long to see the savings in spending that extra money out of the gate, by going with composite. When this composite's made, it gets melted down. All the materials get put in this hopper and it gets melted down, gets pushed through a mold, and right before it gets cooled, they've really come a long way with the brushes that they use to put this, I guess you could say, faux grain look on these composite materials. There's some TimberTech composite boards that, even in the gray colors, it looks like a natural board. Just the time and the attention they've spent to making these a realistic product it's mind-blowing. There's some decks, if you choose the wrong color and you're driving down the road, you really got to stop and double take if you catch a glimpse of it in someone's backyard, to be like, is that real wood or is that composite? You got to remember that when you have a wood deck, you're putting these wood boards on the largest, you know, the largest surface area of this board is going to be exposed to the elements. So each board is going to retain more water because of the surface area that's exposed. Composite has, TimberTech composite has plastic cap all the way around it. So on a rainy day, if that water is hitting that 5.5 inch face of the composite board, it can sit there and or drain off. No matter what it does though, it's rolling over a coated plastic material. The wood decks, if the rain or the snow is melting on a 5.5 inch wide surface, it's going to absorb through that board quite quickly, and you need to ensure that you have proper ventilation, airflow underneath your deck, and some sort of sunlight at some point throughout the day to help draw that moisture out of the top of the boards. So overall, composite is probably going to be your best bet for longevity. TimberTech boards, they come with 25, 30, and 50-year warranties. Nothing I've seen in this field to date has proven that those boards won't last at least that long, if not longer.